Moving a grandfather clock is a delicate process. If done incorrectly, you can permanently ruin your clock. Let's avoid that. In this video, we will walk you through the process of packing your grandfather clock to get it moved damage-free. The first thing you'll want to do is remove the finial, if your clock has one. Usually the finial is not fastened in place. If yours is fastened on, don't try to pull it off. Next, get a pair of gloves and use them to remove the weights and the pendulum. Avoid touching the brass with your bare hands. This can result in the polish being marred. Wrap each weight individually in bubble wrap. The pendulum needs to be wrapped as well. If you have cardboard available, sandwich the pendulum between two pieces to keep it rigid. Whether your clock has cables or chains, you'll need to contain them. A bread tie or a pipe cleaner will work great for this. If your clock has chains, you'll want to bundle up the excess in a Ziploc bag or even a sock. Some grandfather clocks have doors up on the sides of the clock to allow access to the interior. Others will have a panel on the back of the clock that can be removed. The clock we're working with today is somewhat unique in that the entire shroud needs to come off the top to allow access to the chime rods. Once you determine how to access them, you'll need to stabilize the chime rods. You don't want them bouncing or vibrating during transport. Take a piece of foam or even a ball of bubble wrap and fit it in between the chime rods. Rubber band it in place. This will hold everything together. Check all of the screws for the movement, including the mounting board screws, the movement screws, and the screws or pins that are holding the face in place. Tighten any that need it. This is very important because if a screw comes loose and your movement falls out of the clock during transport, that could be the end of your clock. It's best to transport your grandfather clock standing upright. However, if you have to transport it laying down, take painter's tape and make a large X across each piece of glass. This will help reinforce the glass against the weight of gravity and avoid cracking. You'll want to fill the inside of the clock with a packing blanket and finally, wrap the entire grandfather clock in moving blankets. It's best to do a layer of shrink wrap or pack tape on top of this to keep the moving blankets in place. When loading the clock, 2 people and a dolly are recommended. Make sure your clock cannot topple over during transport. And there you go, you're all set. For all your clock needs, head over to emperorclock.com.